Today we're going to be performing an oil change on this motorhome. It is a Forest River Legacy model year 2014. It has a Cummins ISB 6.7 liter diesel engine. And Dustin will be my cameraman and my assistant here today. Alright, so we're going to turn it on and we're going to idle it for about 5 minutes, get the engine warm. We're going to want to see a little bit of pressure here. And the manual says we want the coolant at 60 degrees. So here we go. Air show going on. Alright, so we're idling this. We're going to idle it for about 5 minutes. Let everything warm up, and also when we turn on the engines, the air suspension inflates, which gives us a little more room. Obviously, there isn't that much room in there. So we've warmed up the engine. It's a little bit warm here, not too hot, 67 degrees. Again, we have a 5-gallon pan here, just in case we get more fluid out of here than 5 gallons. I have this backup bucket. I hope we don't get 5 gallons out of here, because I only brought 5 gallons of oil to put back in. Alright, so on my unit, we just need a 3/8 wrench to undo this drain plug. So I'm just going to try to do that. Loosen it. But I have lost my plug. See that back. I'll have to find it later. Alright, so we're transferring this oil into these milk jugs. And what we've done actually is we've measured out on each milk jug 1 US gallon, so that we know exactly how much to put back in. That way we don't overfill the tank. So Dustin wants to grab the drain plug because we dropped it in here out of our haste. So it's just in here. Just feel around. Gonna plug this back in here, and then we're gonna have to torque it to 44. All right, so we're here at the filter. It's on the right side of the coach. We have this strap-on filter wrench. I've never used before, but it seems to be working. So I'm just gonna clean up this filter head. Alright, so I have the new filter here. It's a Fleet Guard LF3970. Make sure we don't get anything in here. Looks pretty clean to me. We're gonna prime this filter. We're gonna pour in some new. This is Shell Rotella T5. It's a synthetic blend. 15W40. So we're going to pour this in here, and we're also going to put a little bit around the seal. Alright, here it goes. It says hand tight plus 3/4 turn. Engine oil. Okay. And we're going to fill. All right, here it goes.